I've been communicating with Professor Sandel for some years now, yes, to see if I can interest him to come to Aruba and share with us his vision on common good, but also in the broader sense, what are the things we can do in society in order to create societies that care more about each other, that set agendas for the future that are sustainable, to create an atmosphere in a country, in a community, where whenever we take a decision, we also think about what the effects are on others. We all are concerned in the world, but also in Aruba, that because of changes, sometimes we lose the aspect of tight communities. We all are very proud of the time we were in our youth, that we knew everyone in the neighborhood and everyone cared a lot about each other.
I am, first of all, honored to be invited, and I'm impressed that the Prime Minister, as a political figure, is really thinking about a philosophical question, the common good, and how it bears on government, but also the way we live, the way communities conduct themselves in their relations. All around the world, we find we are deeply polarized. The inequalities, the divide between winners and losers, has been deepening in our society in recent days, in democratic societies around the world. And so here's a chance, this conference, to reflect together on the meaning of the common good and some of its practical implications for the way we design civil society. So I'm here to learn and to engage in dialogue. Aruba, it seems to me, can be a kind of small laboratory to test ideas about the common good, ways of overcoming the excesses of individualism that have separated us, driven us apart, and in some places cast a shadow over democracy. So it's an honor to be here, and I'm looking forward to our discussions.